Hadian ka Jingja ha Sohra ha kabaya day bat kisijur ki Nongjngoh kai Pyrthei ki bana indoor u MLA ka Sohra ba Gavin Melim ngam ulaban jori ka jingdan kam ba ki Nongjngoh kai Pyrthei ki bawan sha Sohra ka sin ka baneng kong ba ki day ban shim ki Jingïarap jong ki tourist guide lani ki Nongngelam lenti ki bana ka ne hi ka than. Da ka ba ong ba ka Jingja ki kisijur na indoor ka di ka basngosi ula ong ru ba ka chnong Sohra ka dani ki lum ki them ki bajuat bat kumta ki Nongjngoh kai Pyrthei ki la ban pendan kam ya ka jing shakri jong ki tourist guide ki bana ka ne ka than ki ba latip kham bhai ka jinglong jingman jong ka ni ka jaka. Habal kali shapang ki bahayeng bahasem ki bala dawai ki jing toket CBI ula ong ba ka sorkar kala dep thaw ki kan hun toket ka bakarpang ban toket halor ka ni ka Jingja ka baya day bat ki ni ki shijur.
The incident which happened today, the couple from Indore, is very unfortunate. Of course, we saw that the body of the male has been found yesterday, and still they are searching for the female. So, of course, what had come out in the Times of India, of course, this is something like we didn't expect this teacher of Times of India to give such a statement. But anyway, the fact that they had removed that post is itself an indication that they had realized their own wrongful accusations. So of course, we could also see that the testament, we have seen that the testament being made by some of the people from Maharashtra, from US in the past few days, is already a testament that indicates the behavior of our people in Sohra area and in the state, across the state. So that's the main thing. I think so the people shouldn't be misled by such incidents. Of course, it's very unfortunate, but we should also see the tourist inflow into our state. I think so in the year 2024-25, it touched around 14 lakhs. And of course, this is very unfortunate. The incident which occurred is very unfortunate. But would like to urge the tourists, especially the newly tourists who visit our state, at least to also ensure that when they come to this part of the state, to also utilize the service of the tourist guides that we have. Because we could also see the terrain that we have in Sohra area. It's one of the most difficult terrain. So to go into the tourist spots, into the deeper part of tourist spots by themselves is not advisable. So I would like to advise them to also utilize the service of our tourist guides.
In one of the prime concern that has come up. So are you also in touch with the tourism minister to put certain safety measures in place, whichever way?
Yeah, that's the main thing. To ensure safety is that, of course, our police, of course, from time to time they have been doing the patrolling. But at the end of the day, they cannot be there in each and every tourist spot. That's why what I've advised is that actually the tourists who comes here should utilize the services of our tourist guides. I think that will also ensure the safety in the future. So like we have seen that yesterday, as soon as that body was found, the government has constituted that special investigation team. So I feel let the report of that SIT first come out. So I think so their demand for that as CBI totally depends upon the government for taking the appropriate decision.